Hey friends, this is Sejal and welcome to my channel. Today let's make delicious, quick and easy cold pasta salad. It is made with 5 color pasta filled with veggies and cheese and coated in homemade vinaigrette. This is the perfect recipe to fill crowd and you can make it ahead of time. So let's begin. First of all, take 5 color pasta. I took this, you can use whichever you have. Then cook it according to package instruction. When water started boiling, add 1 teaspoon salt and half tablespoon olive oil. Then add pasta and let it cook. Once it's fully cooked, drain and rinse under cold tap water. While pasta is boiling, cut 1 cup cherry tomatoes, 1 cup mixed color bell peppers, half cup carrot, 1 cup grapes, half cup black olives and 1 cup peeled and chopped cucumber. Then take 3 tablespoons feta cheese and 6 tablespoons Parmesan cheese. Add all the veggies and feta cheese and 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese to the pasta. Take big bowl so you can mix them well. I underestimated quantity but somehow managed to mix it. Then in a small mason jar, take half cup olive oil, half cup red wine vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 teaspoon basil, half teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoon oregano, 2 teaspoon red chili flakes and 3 tablespoon Parmesan cheese. Put the lid on and shake it vigorously so everything can get mixed up. Now pour it over pasta veggie mix and stir it and mix. Cover it with lid or foil or plastic wrap and keep it in refrigerator for at least 2-3 hours. And as simple as that, we are ready to serve our cold pasta salad. Hope you all like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye and take care.